Dorsey gets it up. Up ahead, Osmani links out! This is his world! And we're living in it! 20 points! A game. Jetty over to Ercan Osmani. Yes! And Türkiye starting out early with a 5-0 lead.
Osmani impacting the game, taking it up.
Could be an issue. Larkin again splits the D. Good alert play. Şengün picks it up. He's surrounded. Osmani gets space. Yes, another for Ercan Osmani.
Antetokounmpo is helping in the lane.
Şengün. Feeling Mitoglu on his back. He throws it up. Gets it back. Gets it to Osmani.
Beautiful.
Osmani's in his rhythm. Another, his third three-pointer of the game. Osmani really one of the more experienced players in this Turkish team with the national team, and he hits the ball to Şengün. Bodies on the ground. But don't forget Türkiye beat on opening night Latvia here. They also beat Serbia. Oh, nice pass. Osmani, you cannot be serious. 14 points for Osmani in the first quarter.
And that's a great team possession. Beautiful pass from Shane Larkin. Beautiful pass.
Şengün gets into the lane. Osmani's got to get it up, and he does. He's got 16. Şengün, little wraparound. So even though he's not scoring, he's impacting the game.
He has the awareness that the shot blocker Antetokounmpo is right at the rim.
Oh, almost a tug from Thanasis on Şengün. Nice give and go. You can count it. 62-38, Türkiye. Outscoring Greece 13-7. Another one, Osmani. Mike, this is turning into a Greek tragedy.
That it is.
And jump shot is good from that man, Osmani. Continues to pour in the points. Greek freak hands it off. Mitoglu's got to go up stronger than that. Oh, he gets blocked by Osmani. Just absolute domination by Osmani at both ends. We are in what is normally called winning time, but you have to say it feels like it's going to be a W for Türkiye. And that is another three for Ercan Osmani. They're singing, the Turkish fans. Osmani, another for number 24, his finest hour. 28 points.